Hello everyone, myself Chintan Upadhyay, students Jai Shri Swaminarayan, students of class 8. Today we are going to learn about use of articles. Mainly there are three articles, that is a, an and the. Okay. So before we proceed, let's learn about the definition of articles. Articles are type of determiners. The term determiners covers several classes of words, which includes definite and indefinite articles. That means the definition of articles is divided in two parts, that is definite articles and indefinite articles. Now, though articles are known as determiners, means what is determiners? Now the term determiners covers several classes of words. So for that, which we give names like definite articles and indefinite articles. Now let us learn about indefinite article. Indefinite articles, a and an are indefinite articles as they are used indefinitely before countable common nouns. It is used before countable common nouns, a and n. Now let's learn about a. That is, a is used with nouns beginning with consonants or consonant sound. For example, a pen. Now students, okay, sometimes we forget the concept of consonant or vowel. So before learn this, let me explain about consonant and vowels. Okay, students, we know that in English alphabet there are total 26 letters. That is from A to Z. Okay. Now students, from that 26 letters, there are 5 vowels. That is A, E, I, O and U. And from that, remaining 21 letters is known as consonants. That is B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So these are total 21 letters, and these 21 letters known as consonants and vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U. Vowels are 5, consonants are 21. 21 plus 5, total 26. 26 letter itself forms alphabets in English. They are 26 from A to Z. So this is just a common information to you. Now once again we are going through this definition of A. That is, A is used when or with nouns beginning with consonants or consonant sound. That is, example already written over here. That is there is a word pen. Before that, A is used. Why? Because the first letter is P. P is a consonant over here. So for that, we use A before the word pen. Now, moving towards N. N is used with nouns beginning with vowels or vowel sound. For example, an apple. Yes. So over here the word apple starts with A. A is a vowel over here. So for that, when the word is beginning with a vowel, at that point of time we are using N. Now number B, that is definite articles. That is definite articles. Number B, definite article. Now students, the is definite article. The is definite article, as it points out some, as it points out some particular person or thing, so it is known as use of the or definite article. So I am writing one simple example. The cow gives us milk. Over here, before cow we use the. Why it is known as definite article? Because it points out some particular person or thing. So over here it points out that the cow gives us milk. So for that we use the over here. So students, now we come to know that when we use A before consonants. When we use N before the word beginning with vowel or vowel sound, and we use the for particular person or thing. So students, this is just a common basic explanation of definitions of all the articles and use of articles. Now what I am doing is, now I am giving one exercise to solve at your home, and then we will move forward. So exercise for you is, some of these sentences are correct. Some of the sentences are correct, but some of them need A or N That means put a or an where necessary. Number one, I have not got watch. Now what you have to do is you have to put a or an where necessary. Now in this sentence I am solving one sentence over here as an answer over here. I have not got a watch. So see students, what I used to do is, it is necessary to put a over here. So what I feel, that is I have to put a over here. So for that I put over here a. So you have to put either a or an wherever is necessary. And some of the sentence you see that they are okay, means there is no requirement to put a or an. So at that point of time, if the sentence is okay, you have to write in answer that okay. No need to change anything. Okay, now, so I solve one example, rest you have to do it by yourself at your home. Now I am writing the questions over here. Do you like cheese? Number 3. I am going to party tonight. I don't need key. Number 8. Everybody needs food. Number 9. I have good idea. Number 10. Can you drive car? So these are the 10 sentences which you have to solve by yourself, and please note down this sentence in your notebook, which I already write on the board. Okay, so students, thank you. Jai Shri Swaminarayan.